y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a what's in my bag slash what fits in the Marc Jacobs Teddy mini tote. So this bag might be a mini bag, or they might call it mini, but it fits a lot, and it's actually pretty normal size. I want to say, like, I feel like this is more of a like medium size bag in my opinion, but this is their smallest size, and you can just fit so much in it. So I'm going to flip this over, and I brought a lot of stuff to kind of share what can fit, just in case you're interested in the bag, and then I'll also share how I use it when I use it. So first thing I wanted to bring is the Louis Vuitton large cosmetic case. This is the largest size cosmetic case that they have. As y'all know, I have the large, which I now primarily use for travel, and then I also have the medium Gucci case, which is the same size as the cosmetic case from Louis Vuitton. But I wanted to show y'all how they fit in here, because they both actually fit in here. So if you want to carry a lot of stuff in your cosmetic case, you absolutely can. So here's how it fits in here. It takes up half the bag, but if it's something that you want to bring, it fits. And then same with the medium. You definitely have a lot more space in here, which is why I purchased this, because it works like that in most bags. You can also flip it upright and save a lot more room. But here are how the cosmetic cases look. And then I'll probably bring back that medium case in just a bit to show you how it fits with everything else. As for other cases, we have the Louis Vuitton Pasha Accessory, and so this is the largest pochette, and it's about the same width as the cosmetic case, so of course it fits in here. You can put a lot of SLGs and different items in here. It does take up about half the width of the base, and so if you wanted to, you could really put both the GM cosmetic case in here and the Pasha, and then put like your wallet and keys above it, and then you could bring them both with theoretically, if that's something that you want to do. But they do both fit. Alright, so let's grab a few more pieces before we do what's in my bag slash how I use it and what I keep in there and what you can keep in there. So I grabbed my iPad. This is the 11-inch Pro, and I have the Apple keyboard case on it. And I haven't tried this one out yet, but I believe it should fit, because it's about the same as the agenda. So it does fit in here. It does look like the sides will kind of go out a bit, which is fine. Like, that's how, you know, totes are. So it does theoretically or technically fit. And of course, if you wanted to have it up, then it will be sticking out, but it will fit that way as well, of course. But you can't fit it on its side, and the bag will definitely still close because it's not too tall. And then of course, anything smaller than this, well, I would probably recommend like putting the mini or something in here. But if you need to bring your iPad and you have the 11-inch, it will fit. So we have that, and then also want to try out the Erin Condren Life Planner for anyone who does coiled planner. So this is a 7x9 planner, and it looks like, so it looks like it will close. However, it definitely is a little tall. So as you can see, when you close it, the middle compartment's like kind of sticking up, but it does technically fit. I would just be careful when opening and closing because of the tabs. And then you can also put it in vertically, and of course it will stick out, but it will technically fit. I don't travel with my ECLP, but I know a lot of people do. I would recommend definitely putting the A5s in here, although the 7x9 does fit. I don't know, I wouldn't feel comfortable like traveling with it just because of how like how much it sticks out, even though it does technically fit. So yeah, we have that. I also want to show y'all how some of the agendas look. So of course y'all know I have all three agenda sizes from Louis Vuitton, and they can all technically fit in here. So we have the PM, and of course that's going to fit the best and in any bag. And then we have the medium ring, and so you can fit this one upright, so it goes pretty much close to the top, but it'll still fit underneath that flap. And then of course you can lay it on your side if you want more room. And then we have the jam, so it does technically fit in here on its side, and so if you want to bring it, you can. It just takes a lot of room. And so, and it's pretty much end to end, and it kind of, let's see, is like a perfect fit. So it will technically fit in here, and you can close it and everything, right? So like it gets covered up, but it just takes a lot of room. But if you wanted to, and if you want to bring it with, again, you absolutely can. Here's what, just in case you're curious, all three look like together. So the PM and MM won't fit exactly side by side, but you could all get them all in here if you wanted to. So that is what these look like. And if you want to keep your tote bag open and you don't want to put it on its side, you just can't close it, but of course, like, you could have it hanging out if you wanted to, and this is how that looks when it's hanging out, just as a reference. Alright, so those are some larger items. Now for smaller items and how I'm going to use the bag. So of course I live in Texas, we wear sunglasses all year round, so I have my Chanel sunglasses in the case, and these fit perfectly. Of course they fit underneath the flap. Nothing that I'm putting in here is going to be too large where it won't fit over the flap. So let's say I wanted to bring that. I also want to bring my planner. So we have my planner, and then we have my medium ring, or my medium cosmetic case from Gucci. So we're just going to put that on the side. We have my AirPods in the Gucci key pouch. We have my wallet, which is the Chanel card holder. We have a card case from Louis Vuitton. And then we have my car keys, which are on the 6 key holder from Louis Vuitton. You can actually put these in here, so let's do that. Okay. So you have all of that in here, and it's nice and snug. Oh, and then we also have the new 14 Pro, not the Max, but the Max is fit in here, and we'll put that in there as well. And so it does close, and like I said, it fits so much that you kind of, when you hear the name Mini, it's very deceiving, but it fits perfectly in here. Definitely enough room, and I think that's one of the best parts about this bag. So I think this is a great size for carrying all of the essentials and being able to have more of a compact bag. And then other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I hope this helped if you are looking to, or if you are considering this bag or debating between sizes. That is something that I was very much debating when I was purchasing this, was which size to get, and I really hope this helps if you're in that same place. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.